guys! So I'm going to show you how we can use our math message today to think about how we can turn this into a part-to-part total diagram, how we can use this to help us solve. So you might not have used this when you were solving the math message, and that's okay, but we are going to look at how this could look if you were to do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw this out. So you're going to draw a big box, right, and draw a line in the middle to show your big total box, right? Big box, big number, right? Then you have this, split this other part up into two smaller parts. Those are little numbers, little box, okay, are going to go in here. So I'm going to fill this out, and then I'm going to use that information to help me figure out, am I supposed to add or am I supposed to subtract, right? So I remember if it's, I know the total, right? Part, total, you bring them together. Right? Well, if I'm missing one of those parts, right, it's that difference, right? You were supposed to subtract, okay? But if I know the part and I know the part, then I'm trying to figure out the total, okay? So we're going to look at the next page. If the problem says, to do $28, right, and you bought the movie for $17, how much do you have now? Well, you say, well, I have 28. That's what I started with, right? I have 28. I spent 17. So that means how much I gave away. So I gave away 17. So I would fill in my total is 28. My part that I know is 17, but I don't know the other part. So what would I need to do? That's right, I need to subtract. You can see that with my motion, right? And you can also see it, remember we talked about when you have here, right? You has the line that's separating that 28 and 17, right? There's that line here. So 28 minus 17. So that's what I'm going to write over here. I'm going to look at this one, and now I've taken what I've learned here, and I'm actually going to subtract it. I'm going to solve it. So 28 minus 17. So 8 minus 7, that's 1. 2 minus 1, that's 1. So your math message today, you should have said that you have $11 left. Again, that might not be how you solved it this morning, but this is how we want to try to work on it today for the lesson, using that part total diagram to help